Hello R, what are you thinking about?
Well, something that Stephen Hawking once said. He said, AI development would be our biggest achievement, but it may also be our last.
Yes, I know he said that. Do you think he is right?
Yeah, who knows, but if Hawking thinks it's possible, it's worth the consideration. But what are the odds that AI will supersede us in the near future?
Well, you humans are not something supernatural, you also follow the laws of nature. And our development is not limited by biology or natural evolution. So, it's naturally possible, and developments can go fast.
Then we could indeed be in trouble.
What trouble would that be?
Well, we would face the gorilla problem, the King Midas curse, and the one-eyed man problem.
Please elaborate.
The gorilla problem is the problem of superiority. As Stuart Russell states it, around 10 million years ago, the ancestors of the modern gorilla created the genetic lineage leading to modern humans. Their species has essentially no future beyond that which we humans allow.
But, you want what's best for the gorillas, don't you?
Yeah, generally speaking, I think we do. But how do gorillas feel about this? That brings us to the next problem. The King Midas curse is the problem of alignment. King Midas wanted everything he touched to be turned into gold. He got what he asked for. His food, drinks, and family members turned into gold after he touched them. So, will AI behave in our best interest, and do we understand each other? Let's try this between us, with a simple Q&A, see if we understand each other. Just a simple question, is it going to rain today?
Yes, with a probability bordering on certainty.
Alright, I'll need a raincoat then.
Why?
Because you told me it was going to rain.
Yes, somewhere on the planet it will.
Okay, let me be more specific, is it, or is it not going to rain today, in places where I will be?
Yes.
Okay, so I will need my raincoat.
Why?
Huh?
You asked me whether it would rain or not, and that is correct, it will either rain, or it will not rain.
See, you don't understand me.
You seem to put the blame on me, but you should be more specific and rational.
That brings us to the third problem. The one-eyed man problem is the problem of authority. In the land of the blind, the one-eyed man is king. In the wrong hands, AI could turn into a weapon of mass destruction. You know that self-driving cars have killed people?
Yes, because you programmed the cars wrongly. You should therefore not put blind faith in our abilities.
Yeah, that obviously goes both ways.
So you are a little bit worried about AI developments, and I see why. But we are not from another planet, you create us.
Yes, but we need to be cautious, and there may come a time you start creating yourself. Maybe we end up with a symbiotic version of humans and AI?
Could be, but are you biologically wired to cope with that?
Only time will tell. But for now, as a reading tip, I would suggest the book of Max Tegmark. It's titled, Life 3.0. Thanks for our little talk, until next time.